Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you my powerful 3 institutional numbers that I give out every night at 6 p.m. So at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I give out 3 new institutional numbers, the numbers or levels that some of the top hedge funds, institutions, and some of the top elite traders trade around the world. These numbers are dictated by 1, 2, 3, as you see in front of you. And every night at 6 p.m., you can tell this is a British pound. It opened back up at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My institutional blue number called the exact high in the move for over a 100-tick trade. Now the cool thing about my trading room is you're going to know exactly when to enter, when to stop out, and how to trail to get these big moves with small stops. This is called my number 1 institutional level. So before I get started, I only have 10 minutes on YouTube. I want to explain how you can get in my live day trading room for 3 days. Just email me back on the information that I've given you, and you will be able to get in Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 22 hours out of 24 hours a day, because the currency market trades 22 out of 24 hours, and you can trade my institutional numbers. But I've taken it to even another level. From what I know of, I'm the only live day trading room that trades almost 24 hours a day that will actually page your cell phone or pager when you hit one of these important hedge fund or institutional numbers, because you see a big reaction off of it, okay? We actually page you to your cell phone, when one of these numbers, the first time that it hits these numbers, okay? For example, let's go over the trade setup. I'm going to show you exactly how we do it in the trading room. Now, I got traders that have over 30 years experience in the trading room, and I got traders that just started out in trading. That's a beautiful thing about the currency market. You don't have to have large accounts and do large size to really do a lot of ticks in the currency market because the volatility is there every single day. You know, the minimum account with one of the brokers that we use is $2,000, and the margin requirement's only $500 to nighttime trade and day trade the currencies. Now, the currencies we trade are the euro, British pound, Japanese yen, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and also the S&P 500 futures. In fact, Friday, the 25th, we nailed the exact low to the T on the S&P 500, and it ran up 10 points on my institutional number, which I'll show you in this video. So I only have 10 minutes. If you want to get into the room for 3 free days, there's no obligations. I don't want your credit card. I want no obligation. I want you to come in, watch how we page you, page you to your cell phone on these institutional numbers. More importantly, if you're interested, send me an email, and I'll send you to my website. At the website, I have 3 really good PDFs free of charge to go over, and I have 4 videos so you understand the methodology, how my members in the trading room are really doing very well on nailing these institutional numbers. But let me go to the methodology real quick. I don't have too much time here. The market opened up at 6 p.m. You can see that on the 1, 2, 3. You get 3 different levels. We look for to test or retest the number, which it did right there. It retested my number, 54.22. We will go short right there at the magenta sell dot. We have momentum dots to get us in and out. Green for our long trades, magenta for our sell trades. That's our entry. So our entry right there is magenta sell dot, and it pops intra-bar, not at the close of the bar. Our stop loss is going to be 1 close above that institutional level, 54.22. Obviously, you can see it does not close above it, and we get going on the downside. We're in the trade. What's our target? To scale targets, because we love to reduce risk in the market. If you're going to make a lot of ticks in the market, you want to have small stops, cut your losers short, and let your winners run. I know exactly how to do that with the symmetry. We look to target out on these cyan dots down here. Once we enter with the cyan dot, we're looking to the magenta sell dot after the retest on my institutional level. We look, if we don't get stopped out 1 close above my institutional level, our target is right here, the cyan dots, okay? The cyan dot's going to be our target to pop out of the trade. We're now short, bam. We are now out right there, okay? Right there at that cyan dot, we are out. Now you want to place the rest of your contracts 2 ticks above the institutional level at 54.22. I mean 54.24. The institutional level is at 54.22. We'll place the rest of our contracts over here at 24. Now what we'll do is we'll go for the next institutional target. On the way down to the next institutional target, which is this green, I will scale again right here at the cyan dots. This is where we scale the second contract at, or if you're doing more than multiple contracts, this is where you scale again. The ultimate target is going to be our green institutional level. Now, I know the exact symmetry in all these markets. As long as we don't close above these purple dots, then the symmetry is going to still be down. Okay? So we don't have to worry about getting the momentum to change in the market until it breaks the magenta. So we can still head for our overall green institutional level. Look how it tests the magenta, the purple sell dots up here. Hit the cyan again to scale out, and voila, we go all the way down for just under 100 tick trade. Let me pull it over here. Look at that. 33.31 all the way down. Okay? That's how you do it. That's over 100 tick trade. Or nearly 100 tick trade, I'm sorry. Just under 100 tick trade from way up here at this level. Scroll back here a little bit for you, and I'll show you these other markets. Right there. Look at that. That called the exact high. My institutional number called the exact high. Went all the way down. We scaled out 1, 2, 3 times. Never broke the symmetry of the purple dots. So we know we're safe to go to the next institutional level. And bam, it goes all the way down for nearly 100 tick trade. Let me show you the euro currency and also the S&P before I pop off here. Hold on one second. All right, here was one of the tests on the euro currency. It tests exactly the exact high. Now this was actually an exact number, okay, on my institutional numbers, called the exact high at 36.90 to the T. Magenta sell dot came in. We scale out at the cyan. Scale out at the next cyan. Remember, cannot break the purple dots for symmetry to be down. Never broke it. Scale out the next cyan. Look how beautiful this worked out. Bam, out right there, 36.10. Look how nice that was. 36.10. 80 tick trade, and you took no heat on the trade. You took no heat on the British pound. Do you see how you can scale out with the symmetry of my scale dots to get out of shorts with the cyan dots, and to make sure the short's going to continue because you don't break the purple dots, and you go right down to my next institutional level. That's how easy this is when you have the power of the system working for you. Let me show you the S&P trade. Hold on one sec. From Friday. All right, this is Friday the 25th. Okay, Friday the 25th, 2010 in February, calls the exact low in the S&P to the T. Runs up 10 points. Look at that. Look how it came back down to test my symmetry exactly. Exactly on my symmetry, took right back off, right to my scale again. 10 points. 10 points. All right? So we trade the euro, British pound, Japanese yen, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar currencies. The volatility is there every single day, Sunday night at 6 p.m. through Friday night. You're trading 6 days a week. Even on President's Day, when the market was closed, we were trading the currency short on the euro and made a nice profit on the euro. Okay, and then we trade the S&P 500 futures. If you want to get in, email me back. I'll get you in 3 days, show you my website methodology, and show you why our members are trading with the institutions, not with the public. The public loses, and we are on the other side with the institutions. Take care. Thank you.